Managing a project from end to end is no easy task. You're bound to hit a few roadblocks along the way. And of course, there's constant pressure to do things faster and better for less. Being complacent with the status quo isn't going to cut it. Not today, and definitely not tomorrow. Meet Bluebeam Review. Review lets professionals communicate digitally. We're talking real-time PDF-based collaboration, where you and your project partners can mark up and edit the same document from anywhere at any time. Whether it's consultants across town, the supplier in Pittsburgh, your eccentric client on Safari, or Fred on the first floor, Review pushes the limits of mobility, cloud storage, and collaboration. Welcome to the way you want to work.
In building today's global infrastructure projects, whether they be oil and gas, bridges and roads, or commercial building, we face a challenge. And that challenge is coordinating communication. How do you give access to your project docs to team members regardless of their location? How do you control who has access to what? And on what device? Are they using iPads, tablet PCs, laptops, desktop computers? And while you're trying to solve this access challenge, remember, you must maintain one single source of truth. Well, these challenges are not unique, but rather they're universal. Luckily, technology has evolved to the place today where we're no longer reliant on pen and paper as our primary method for communicating, documenting valuable conversations during the life of your project and beyond. Today, we can leverage electronic markup to create consistency, as well as cloud technology to give us freedom. In fact, for the very first time, we are able to untether the designer from their desk while connecting them to the builder in the field, while giving access to owners across the globe. There are many solutions that are on the market solving these challenges, and regardless of the one you choose, you must keep two key fundamental things in mind. First, access to technology for all project team members regardless of ownership investment. And second, it has to be easy to use. For the past decade, Bluebeam Software has been solving these challenges for our customers by partnering with our customers. Philosophically, we don't want to change the way you work, we want to enhance the way you work. Review is designed specifically for architecture, engineering, and construction professionals. In fact, one of the things that we frequently hear from new customers is, "Where have you been all my life?" And essentially the feedback is so emphatic because as they begin using Review, it becomes evident that every single feature in the product was designed specifically for the work they do day in and day out. And we've been successful in what we've implemented because we focused on the foundation. For instance, easy markup. It should be easy to mark up a PDF file. But we've taken it a step further, and we've given them the ability to save commonly used markups to a tool chest. So the next time they need to communicate, they're not reinventing the wheel. Built-in tracking. Automatically track who said what and when. It's the ultimate in CYA, essentially removing the redundancy that is within the AEC workflow. Then on top of these fundamentals, we've built features specific to the way you work. So design review, you have a couple options. Overlay pages, it emulates the light table, taking one drawing, overlaying it at the top of another, quickly identifying the differences between the two. Or drawing comparison, which automatically compares two drawings, clouding the differences for you. Hyperlinks. We've leveraged simple hyperlink technology in order to allow you to create navigable drawings, which are consumable during the construction phase of your projects and into facility management. Measurements and takeoffs. Beyond just dimension to PDF file, we've given you the ability to save custom measurement tools to a tool chest, which have a building material and cost associated to them. So the next time you're responding to an RFP or you're responding to a bid, you can do it faster and more accurately. RFIs. We have finally given you the ability to incorporate graphical data into an RFI. You go out to the field and you find an issue, take a picture, place it on the PDF page. Or use 3D BIM model data to incorporate into the 2D PDF. Take a 3D model, place it on the PDF page, mark it up, send it out. The person who receives that PDF, the only thing they need to view that is a PDF viewer. And then finally, Studio. It is our online collaboration solution. It harnesses the ease of markup while leveraging online sessions and allows you to use the convenience of online file storage for all your project docs. And we've removed the barrier of budget for you. Invite anyone you want to attend a project session, and they can attend for free. So, essentially, we've created a single solution that allows you to mark up, track, collaborate, and archive discussions which are critical to the life of your project. So it begs the question, why would you use anything else?